Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Love to see your smiling faces. Before we get started, I'd like to thank my Patreon supporters. You guys are awesome. Keep being awesome. Thank you so much for the support. In today's episode, the scammer and I had this back and forth battle about who's going to control the PC. I hope you learned something from this and never ever let a scammer on your computer like this. Never. And without further ado, let's get right into it.
Hello,
Hello?
this is Steve Johnson on the line. How may I help you today?
Who is this?
This is Steve Johnson on the line. So is your computer is on at this present moment?
Is the computer on? Yeah, the computer's on. I said, what is this for?
For the cancellation from the Amazon. Now what do you see
Is it
there?
possible to turn the noise in the background down a little bit? Like you got the TV really loud.
Okay.
Like it's hurting my ears. You know, you got the TV blaring.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm
Can
telling
you slow it down? Slow down the
Yes,
television
yes.
back there.
What do you see on the computer screen? Do you see any option coming up? Accept, give a click on accept. Need to go upward and give a click on free download.
Scroll down.
Give a click on free download. Go upward.
What is this exactly?
You need to go slowly upward and you will see their free download. Give a click there. I'm asking you go to upward.
I'm moving upwards right now. I don't see anything here.
You need to go upward.
Like
You
I think
are
this is
at
I think this is the top of the page.
This is the top of the page. Are you
Yeah.
trying to kidding with me? You are at the last of the page, you lady.
No, I moved the wheel up, right? So it's at the top, right?
No, it's not at the top.
You want me to go to the bottom of the page like this right here?
Do you see it's written awesome remote desktop software and just beneath that it's written free download. Give a click on free download.
So how's your day been?
No interesting. I'm very bad
Oh, why are you bad?
because my girlfriend left.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She just asked me to leave me. She left because I love her so much. Every time I love her.
Why'd she leave then?
She is not liking me. Then what should I do? Okay, let me have a word with the manager.
Should I restart the computer? Windows update? Restart now?
No. You don't have to restart your computer. You just bear with me. Let me have a word with my manager.
Oh, I think Windows is updating. Did you
Did
hit
you shut down?
Did you hit the restart button?
You hit. I didn't hit.
No, I didn't hit that.
I have not done. You have done. Okay.
Why? I clearly didn't do it.
Okay. So
Why
just
would you?
start-
Why would you hit the computer? Why would you restart it? Why would you say don't hit the restart button and then hit the restart button? That makes no sense.
I didn't hit it, okay? You don't bargain with us. You just do the things, otherwise you won't be able to get your money back.
Well, why did you hit it? That's all I'm asking is why'd you say one thing and then do another? That's all I'm asking is why would you be confusing?
Are you try to understand me? You have done this and you are blaming me, right?
You did it.
Because I'm not at your computer. You are at your computer. You are controlling your computer. I'm not.
Oh no. I saw you clicking.
How can you say that?
Because I saw the purple mouse. I saw the purple
Okay,
mouse.
Listen. If
I
you,
saw it
if
go
you
click,
will
click, and then you clicked right on the reset button.
Start your computer right now.
I did.
Start your computer.
But I'm just curious to know why you said don't hit the reset button and then you did it anyway. Like that's where
You just shut
Why
up
would
your
you do
mouth.
that?
Okay? You just shut up your mouth.
Why did you do that? That's all I'm asking is why did you reset the computer?
Think logically. I'm not at your computer. You are controlling your computer. I'm not controlling your computer.
No.
What the fuck?
You clicked on
What
it.
the
I saw
fu-
you click
what-
on it.
What the fuck you are telling to me?
I saw you click on it.
If I will be in your computer, then I have to control it. I am not in your computer. Then how I can do this? You fucking lady.
You wonder why your girlfriend left you.
You don't try to act smart with me.
I'm not trying to act smart. I'm just asking why'd you click on the reset button? That's all I'm asking is why'd you
Okay,
click on the
you
reset
just shut
button?
up- You just shut up your mouth, and once you see the screen, just do let me know. You leave the control of your mouse. Are you understanding this?
So how do I get the refund?
I'm going to provide you all the things to you right now. You need to put the current password.
For what? My login?
Like whenever you are turning on the computer, turn the password. Write the password here.
Why would I type that in there?
Because we need to secure the connection.
Yeah,
You
but you're
just-
trying to change your password. Like you're trying to change
It
my
is not-
password.
listen. We are trying to help you out to cancel the things, okay? You type the current password.
But I don't need protection from this. This is not what I want.
I will give you that money. First of all, you need to do what I'm trying to say to you. Otherwise, you just forget about this, okay?
Well, can I just go log into the Amazon and cancel it there, or?
No, you need to type the password. Like whenever you are turning on the password, just type the password. Then I'm going to help you out right now.
Okay, I just want to make sure that you're not locking. You gotta make a butt promise with me that you're not locking the computer.
Oh my goodness. You just have a word with the manager.
Just tell me you're not gonna lock my computer. It looks like you're trying to lock my computer.
Ma'am, what we are going to do, we are going to cancel that, okay, and we are going to put the money back to your account. Ma'am, we don't need your computer password, ma'am. Whatever password you type, ma'am, nobody saw your password.
Yeah, but it says change your password up here at the top.
Ma'am,
I don't know if you can
ma'am,
read that
ma'am,
at the top. You see where
ma'am,
it says
no,
change your password, and then it
no,
says
no,
first
we
confirm
are-
your
ma'am,
current
ma'am,
password.
ma'am,
Are
we
you
are
trying
not
to?
changing-
That's why I'm
ma'am, we
thinking
are
you're
not-
trying to change my password.
No, ma'am, we are not changing your password. This is a software. We are going to remove the software from your computer. We are
You're-
just changing our software password, not your computer password. We are not changing your password. You put it over there, ma'am.
But it
Trust me
literally
1%,
says at
ma'am.
it says right at the top. It says change your password right at the top.
Ma'am, this
Right at
is
the top.
the
Do you see that? Do you see
software
the change
password.
your password right at the top?
Ma'am, I see that, but this is a software password, not your computer password.
But it's asking
Yes,
for my
changing-
password to log into my account, right?
Yeah, yes, we are going to remove the software from your computer. We are
Oh.
protect your computer, ma'am. We are not changing it, okay?
Yeah, but it's asking to change it. Am I
Ma'am, we
am
are
I not
not
crazy? Am I
changing it,
crazy here though?
ma'am.
It says change your password, right?
Trust me 1%, okay? Trust me 1%.
1% trust, 99% doubt.
No, ma'am, I said you trust me 1% and I make it 100% trust.
You say trust me 1%
course.
now,
Of
get
course,
100%
madam,
later.
Of course, ma'am. You put your computer password, ma'am. Don't tell it to me. We are not changing your computer password. I swear, okay?
All right, and you're not trying to lock my computer. Like if I
Ma'am,
type this,
no,
it's not
ma'am,
gonna be
never,
locked.
ma'am. I am promising you, ma'am, never.
All right. I'm just making sure that if I put this password in, you're not gonna like try to change it.
No, ma'am. I'm not gonna change it.
That's
Okay,
I just
ma'am.
want to make sure because it says change your password. That's why I'm really
Ma'am,
concerned about
ma'am,
that.
Ma'am, I am not gonna changing your password, ma'am.
Okay, can you just explain to me what you are doing and then just tell me just like
I will show it
come-
to you, ma'am. Ma'am, once you put the password, I will show it to you what we are going to do.
Okay, I just want
put
you to
your
calm my
password-
nerves down. I'm a little afraid. I just can tell me what you're doing. Just explain to me in detail what you're doing so I know exactly.
Ma'am,
So just put the password in.
Yes, ma'am. Do it now. You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Ma'am, what I'm telling you, ma'am, we are going to remove the software from your computer, ma'am. Okay, and we are going to put the money back to you. Just give me a minute, okay?
What did you change the password to?
Microsoft 123.
Is that what you put it as?
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a minute, madam, okay?
Well, what are you doing now?
I am going to put the money back to your account, okay? Say that. Ma'am, don't do anything, ma'am. If you are going to do that, ma'am, your computer password is already has been changed.
What is the password?
I will not give it to you until and unless if you are not going to turn it on your computer. Why did you shut down your computer? Don't touch your computer, ma'am. If you shut down your computer, I am telling you, I will not able to give you your computer password. Give me a minute. Don't touch your computer,
What are
ma'am.
you doing
Don't
on the
touch your
computer though?
Again, you shut it down? Why did you shut down your computer again and again? You want to crash your computer? Your computer password has been changed. If you're doing anything, ma'am, you will be not able to get your computer anymore. If you touch your computer again, and I'm promising you, I'm gonna crash your computer. I'm not give you any warning. You got it?
Why are you trying to crash the computer though?
You leave your computer as it is. Don't touch it. Ma'am, I said leave your computer.
But what are you
Do
doing on the
understand?
computer?
I am going to work in your computer, ma'am. Ma'am, why did you close any deck?
I didn't do that. You did.
You did it, ma'am. I didn't do that.
No, you did it.
You leave your computer. Let me unlock your computer first. And after that, I'm going to give you the money back to you, okay?
Why is the screen black now?
What do you see now? Again, you are typing. Again, you press the button from your keyboard
I just want to know what you're doing on the computer.
because your computer is locked. Do you see that? Your PIN and password has been changed. Do not do anything. You leave your computer, okay? Just give me a minute.
Why are you deleting the other account?
Because this is a virus account. You cannot use
No,
this
that's my
one.
roommate's account.
The roommate account?
You
Okay, I
deleted
will close
Bob
it.
Bond.
Hey, ma'am, you tell me what bank you have an account, so I'm gonna put the money back in your account. You tell me.
What,
What
you
is
look
the
what you're
name of
doing
the
to my
bank?
computer and you want me to tell you what bank I have? Are you nuts?
No, I'm going to put the money back to you. Let me put the-
Reset my password back to what it was.
This is your bank?
Yeah, that's my bank.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the money back to you. You put your username and password. You log into your bank the way you log in, ma'am.
But did you reset the password on my PIN?
I will do that, ma'am. First of all, you log into your bank to take the money back. Then I'm gonna reset the password.
What's the current password?
I'm not telling you right now, ma'am. First of all, you log into your bank to take the money back.
I just want to make sure I just want to make sure that I get my account back.
You need to log into your bank first.
Hold on, just let me make sure I get my account back. What is it, under users?
I will not give it to you right now, ma'am. First of all, you need to log into your bank.
Why did you delete my roommate's account? He's gonna be pretty mad.
You need to log into your bank. You need to log into your bank. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
Are you going to log into your bank? I'm asking you last time. You ignore my questions again and again.
I just want to get back into my computer.
First of all, you take the money, then I will give you your computer password. If you're not going to log in to take the money, I am not able to give you your computer password. Are you going to log into your bank? You tell me yes, then you log into your bank and you take the money. After that, I will give you your computer password.
You told me that 1%, you said you trust me 1% you weren't going to lock my computer, and what did you do?
I give you a solution, ma'am. Are you going to log in, yes or no? You need to log into your bank. After that, I will give you your computer, ma'am.
Fine. I'm fine. Just can you please give me my computer back? I just want to have access to my computer.
Hold on. Don't touch your computer. If you do any smart thing, you will lose your computer. I'm gonna crash it.
I just want my computer back. Why are you trying to take over my computer?
Hold on. Let me open up your bank account.
Well, what is the password?
You put your username. You told me to log. You said you are logged into your bank and
you told me 1% that you wouldn't lock my computer.
Are you going to log into your bank? Yes or no? Tell me.
You're sitting on a throne of lies.
I am gonna hang up the call. I am asking you.
I just want to know what my password is.
You log into your bank and then take the password. Log into your bank.
Can I buy the password from you? Can I give you something? Can I just have my computer?
I don't want any money from you.
I just want my computer back. I don't trust you.
Then I will not able to give you your computer. Did you close the page?
No, you did that. God. You did that.
You closed the page.
I did not close that page.
Are you logging? Yes or no? Tell me. I just
want to know what the password is.
Yes or no? I'm gonna hang up the call.
What is the password?
I am gonna hang up.
Can I trade you for the password?
You first of all, you log into your bank.
No. You gotta give me 1%. Give me 1% trust.
I thought you don't want your computer. That is the reason you don't log into your bank. Are you logging? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Well, give me 1%. No. Give me 1%.
No. Then I'm gonna crash your computer.
No, don't crash the computer.
I'm gonna hang up the call.
Why would you lock the computer?
Do whatever you want to do. I will not give it to you.
What's the password?
Are you happy?
No, I want my password.
I won't give you the password until and unless you log into the bank. Do you think we people are fool here doing your work for you? You tell me. Do you think we are fool?
I never called you a fool.
Then why you are just showing this behavior like a disgusting behavior, huh?
What do you mean disgusting behavior? You guys locked me out of my computer.
You don't shout. First of all, you just listen to me. You said that I'm going to log into my bank. Then why you are back with your word?
Why did you back out of your words? I said don't lock me out of my computer, and what did you do? You went back on your words.
Yes, but you will not get this computer anymore. Your computer is crashed. We will do that, and you will see in front of your screen.
No, gay, get off the computer. Are you nuts? Are you nuts?
Not do that. No, we cannot do this.
Yes, you can. You absolutely can. Leave it alone. Are you nuts right now? Are you nuts? No, do not change the password. Are you crazy?
You have to change the password.
No, I know what the password is now. Just go. I'm fine.
Okay, you go. You got the password, right? What is the password? Tell me. We cannot get out from your computer.
Why? Get off the computer. Are you nuts?
No. You are abusing me, huh?
No, you're abusing me. You're trying to lock me out of my computer. You said give you 1%, and I gave you that 1%.
You cannot give me that 1%, okay? Because you are trying to act smart with me, but you are not that much smart, okay?
No, I just want my computer. I have to explain to my roommate that you deleted his whole entire account. Like,
Yes,
what's Bob
we will.
Bond gonna do now? Will you get off my computer, little boy?
You little girl? You're saying me little boy? You are little girl.
You're just mad because I figured out your password. Get off my computer.
I
Why?
won't.
Why won't you get
No.
off my computer?
Until and unless we give you the money back, because we are in the middle of that
Is
process
this,
and you
is
are
this
just
really?
getting
Are you
back.
strong
are just
arming me to
getting
give me
back.
money back? Are you serious right now?
Yes, we are going to transfer the money to you because we are in the middle of this process and you are just staying aside of this. So you tell me, does
Is
it
this how?
suit
Is
you?
this how Amazon acts? They strong arm people
No.
into a refund?
Just because you are doing it from your side, that is why we have to behave with like that. Because you are trying to act smart with us.
Are you serious? Do you even hear yourself right now?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
No, don't hear me. Hear yourself. It's bananas what you're saying right now.
No, we cannot do that. Ma'am, listen, I don't have that much brain, okay? If you want to do,
I'm well
just
aware.
simply say in a one word. If won't, then just simply hung up the line. That will be
I
fine.
want you off my computer first.
Look,
Look, let me change the password. Let me change the password, right? And then I'll log into my bank for you.
you change the password and log in the bank.
Okay.
This is
Can
called
you
this.
show me my screen so I can actually view something?
You are trying to act smart right now again, right?
I'm not trying to act smart. I'm just asking you to get off my computer. Why
You
not?
face the consequences. You face the consequences what you did right now.
Were you just gonna keep my screen black right now?
Yes, all the
Why?
time. No, I cannot listen to you anymore.
I really don't want to listen to you either.
Even I don't want to listen to you, you lady.
Oh yeah, that was a strong comeback right there. Shivering in my boots. That was a good one. That was a good burn. That was a good burn.
Oh. Hey, come on. Do. Do you see that?
Are you out of your mind right now?
Yes, I'm out of my mind.
You're
You do this?
you're just childish. Look at you, little boy.
Yes, I'm little boy. I have to be a little boy with you. You just be handy with a piece of paper and a pen with you.
Yeah, that's not
Just be
gonna
handy-
work. That's not gonna work. You gotta try a
Oh,
little
that's
harder.
it.
Try a little harder there, boy.
Oh.
Now what are you changing the password to?
Just log into your password. Now
You
try.
changed it.
Yes, now you try, you little girl. Hey, you little girl, try it. Now you try, little girl. You are saying me little boy. Now you try, little girl. Yes, you said me little boy, so I'm
You
telling you
are
a little girl.
boy. Look what you're doing. You're locking people out of their computers.
Yes. Now you are a little girl. You cry. I'll help you out. You cry once. No, you try, little girl. You try, little girl.
Okay.
Kholi.
Get off the computer. You're very predictable. Like all I had to do is try www. That's all I was doing is doing QQQ, and then I went W. That's how pathetic you are, little boy. Your passwords are so easy to predict.
Okay.
Little baby boy.
Oh.
How old are you, baby boy? You're so cute. You're such an adorable little baby boy. Will you get off my computer?
No, you little baby girl. Wow.
Wow, what?
Wow.
Wow,
From which land?
wow,
You tell me.
what? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Such a diabolical laugh.
Oh, how old you are, by the way?
I can't give that information over the phone.
Then I also cannot give you any information on the phone.
Well, then I guess we're in a stalemate then, aren't we? Can I have my computer back? That would be
No.
awesome if you could give me my computer back.
No, because you wasted my time.
You're
My time is
wasting
there.
my time by locking my computer.
No, you wasted my time.
No, I didn't waste a single dime of your time. You wasted all of my time.
You have to face the consequences because you wasted my time. Yes, I'm listening to you.
You listening to me?
Yeah.
How's that, little boy? You like the music? You can suck on those eggs, buddy. That's a nice stinky egg there for you, huh? Can I have my computer back? Yeah, suck on those rotten eggs.
Oh yes, how may I help you today?
Yeah, could you just get off my computer and stay off my computer? Is that like a possibility?
There is no possibility.
Because it's really annoying that you keep logging in on my computer.
Annoying you? Then what should I do? Tell me.
Get off of it and stay off of it. Is that like, you know, something we can work out an agreement on that?
You have to pay for this.
What do I have to pay? Because I mean, I have access to my computer, but like when I turn the internet back on, you just come right after me.
Thing is that you have to pay for this.
No, I don't want to pay for it. I want it for free.
No, then we cannot give you that.
Why not?
Bye-bye.
No, why not?
Bye-bye.
So those guys are really nasty though. Like the way they operate is just, it's really bad, right? What's going on here? You want me to disconnect the call?
Disconnect the call.
Oh, disconnect the call?
Yes.
Disconnect the call?
Yes.
Disconnect the call?
Yes.
Disconnect the call?
Yes.
Disconnect the call? Call.